So you're thinking of making a move to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, or the surrounding areas. Well, you're in luck today because we're going to be taking a look at this new construction home in the Upper Chichester section of Pennsylvania. My name is Tony. I'm with the Tony Smith team at eXp Realty. And before we get started, do me a favor. Like and subscribe to this channel and tap the bell for notifications. That way you can be the first to know about what's going on in the Philadelphia, Pennsylvania area or the surrounding counties. All right. Now, we be happy to hear from you. We get calls, text messages, and emails from people just like you every day, and we absolutely love it. So our information is in the description below. So please just go ahead and reach out to us, and we'll be happy to help you make that smooth move to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, or the surrounding counties. All right, this is a ranch rambler. So this basically means that this property is a single property. There's no basement, there's no second floor. There is an attic, but there's no second floor and there is no basement. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home, single home. Has a garage and it has a deck. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and it's about 1,800 interior square feet. And they're asking $525,000. So let's go and see what $525,000 gets you. All right, this is the garage right here. So you could get a couple cars out in the driveway area. All right, let's go inside. All right, come right in. It welcomes you. It's nice and wide and open. You can see everything, living room, dining room, kitchen, all in one area, but this is a nice size area. Then over here to your right, they have your fireplace setup going on. They have the 2 lights where you put your TV at. So basically that's your entertainment section over there. All right. That's the deck we'll get out there. We have LVP floor, luxury vinyl plank. And this is the garage. Electric door opener. It's a nice size. And as I stated, you can come in and out through the garage, through that door. All right? So this will be your dining area set up. And right here you have the beautiful kitchen with the stainless steel appliances. Got your quartz countertop going on, where you could easily sit 3-4 people here to eat. All right. Got your farm sink, looking right outside to the yard. Got your microwave right here in the island with the blue bottom countertop, the blue bottom cabinets, and the gray cabinets all around, the stainless steel appliances. Lovely. Look at the space. The cathedral style ceiling, recessed lighting, central air, all that good stuff. All right, let's go see the bedrooms. One of the bedrooms. It's the smallest of the 3, but it's a nice size closet. And this is your attic. I'm not going up there, but you pull that down and get attic, get some storage. This is the 2nd bedroom. Closet right here. It's a hallway bathroom right here. The nice subway tile going on with the regular floor tile, matte black finishes in here. Nice size vanity. All right. And this is the third bedroom. Obviously, this is the biggest of the three. All right. Walk-in closet. And this is the master because you get your own bathroom. Nice size stand-up shower. Your dual vanity. It's a nice size bathroom. All right. Let's go outside to the deck. It's a nice size deck. Nice size yard. Got the tracks flooring out here, so there's no wood. This is weatherproof, durable. Should last longer than your wood decks would. Nice. So no matter if you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and we'll be happy to help you make the smooth move to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, or the surrounding counties. Talk soon.